function g in terms of the function f. This play on words is important to understand so you know which one you're finding the function for. They said you want to find function g. So when they say you want to find this, you're going to know that's going to be g of x. G of x equals something. Now, that means that my end goal, if you remember, on the outside is always the output. What do you get out? So my output in this case is going to be the one in green. This one's my output because it's the g function. In the inside, we're going to do something to f of x. This is going to be what we put in, my input. So we're going to start right here with this graph. Well, what do we need to do to the function f to change it to the function g? Well, very simple. If you don't remember, there's a couple of rules we can do to the x to move the function left and right. If you notice, we're going to the left side and then downward. So we got to go left and down. So if you want to move left and right, we already discussed in our lesson that if you got to put something inside with the x to make it a horizontal shift. And if you want to move it up and down, you put something on the outside for it to be a vertical shift, to move it up and down. So with this in mind, let's see what we can do. Let's go ahead and rewrite this graph. So this stays the same, g of x equals. So from f, let's pick a point on f. I'm going to choose the vertex right here. How many did we have to move to get to the point we're looking for? Well, look, I was at 3, and I want to go all the way to -1, right? So from 3 to -1, that will be -4, or 4 to the left, which is in this case, it was, let's see, don't forget the x, Mr. Milano. And remember, there's a minus already here. So if we're moving 4 to the left, that means we're moving -4. Remember, the minus was already there, right? But our 4 has its own minus because we're going left. Now, we want to go down. We also want to go down. We're at +2 right now. And we want to get to -5. So if we want to go 7 down, that means instead of, you could do plus -7. Or you could just say, to be easier for you, can just say -7. It doesn't really matter. And you basically told them what you need to do. If you want to simplify, you could say g of x equals f of x. Well, negative times a negative is +4 minus 7. And that's basically how you write a formula for the function g in terms of the function f.